What's up mga runners? So this is our day 54 out of 365. So for today's session, we are brought to you by Huawei Health. So run walk series tayo ngayon. So composed siya ng running and walking. Parang easy run din lang to, pero may twist na every set meron tayong easy run na 134 to 154 beats per minute pa din. So siguro target pace dito is 7 to 8 minutes para dito mas yung heart rate natin. Our trivia for today is walking is the best way to exercise din. So isa siyang way na easy tempo lang yung kailangan mong gawin, mag-walk ka lang. Then so ang daily average dapat na mag-gain natin sa walking para ma-maintain natin yung health natin is at least 10,000 steps a day. So we're having a good pace. So stable pa yung heart rate natin, 119. So sana di ma-fluctuate to. So I maintain ko na lang hanggang 154. We're having a slow start in our first kilometer. We are 920 and 145 beats per minute. So midway siya ng target natin na 134 to 154. We passed our second kilometer with a time of 8:20. So 144 heart rate. So pa rin, so 154. Let's go. So we're doing good. We are at 3 km with 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Rate natin nasa 135. We finish our running session today. So parang pumitik lang ng 2 beses ng 156 yung heart rate ko. So medyo na-enjoy ko yung run, kaya medyo tumaas. Pero all throughout the run, nasa 149 to 135 lang naglalaro yung heart rate natin. So bumababa siya pag walking tayo. Hope I encourage you to start walking or running to be healthy, to be wealthy, and to stay active. So ayun, so sana mag-start na rin kayo ng gantong era or ng gantong habit, everyday habit or every other day habit. So yun lang. So don't forget the hashtag always run for your life. Let's go.